In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos with Google Gemini using Google Vids and VO 3.1. We'll start by opening Gemini on the web or in the mobile app. Once you're in, look for the video section, sometimes labeled Google Vids. This is where Gemini's video creation workspace lives, and it's powered by the VO 3.1 model for high quality generative video. If you're on desktop, gemini.google.com is the quickest path. On mobile, the Gemini app gives you the same creation tools in a streamlined layout. When you see the video creation canvas, you're in the right place. Next, it's time to tell Gemini what you want to make. In the prompt box, describe your video clearly and specifically. You might write something like a cinematic shot of a majestic lion in the savannah, or a cat walking down a fashion runway. Go beyond the subject and add tone and style, such as dramatic, slow motion, warm golden light, or playful, upbeat, high contrast. If you have a preferred pacing, camera feel, or color palette, mention it. The more precise your description, the closer the draft will match your vision. When your prompt looks good, click Create. Gemini will generate a draft that can include scenes, a script, optional voiceover, animations, and background music automatically. Depending on how elaborate your prompt is, it might take a few minutes. That's normal. Gemini is assembling visuals and audio so you have a full starting point rather than a blank timeline. After the draft appears, review it from start to finish. Play it through, then dive into the scenes. You can swap visuals, change the music, or fine tune the text on screen. If a moment feels too fast or too slow, adjust the timing to match the mood. Not loving the narration? Replace the voiceover or tweak the script lines to sharpen your message. Think of this phase as shaping the AI's first pass into your final story. Small edits, like trimming a clip, softening a transition, or lowering background music under dialogue, can make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, export your video. You can send it straight to Google Drive to keep it in the cloud, or download it locally to your device. From there, it's ready for marketing, presentation, social media, or any creative project you have in mind. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials.